Huh? Large file, file, large file. No problem. I will upload in the YouTube. Here will be size like 100 MB. It will become 30 MB in the YouTube. Okay, 30 MB will be. Huh? Okay, welcome to my class. Some topics to old. Okay, I will try to do. Okay. I will try to explain. Name of the following complex ions already taught. Okay, what is coordination number? You know, say what is coordination number? Number of dative bond formed with the central metal ion is called dative bonds. Okay, is called coordination number. If the coordination number, we see the EPR model, electron pair repulsion theory. If the number of lone pairs, bonding pair is six lone pair bonding pairs, we say this is the octahedral shape. 4 bonding pairs, this octahedral shape. You know this. Okay, here is in a complex ion. This is the complex ion. This is the similar. Either yes. It is used to determine shape of the molecules and ions. Yes, here is a different. If the coordination number, is 6, shape is for complex ion. If yes, if the coordination number 4, shape is coordination. If the tetrahedral, if the coordination number is 2, linear. There are 3 types shapes in the complex ion exist. Okay, this is the most compounds in complex ion is octahedral shape. Some less amount is linear and tetrahedral. Okay, like this type is yes. It is a few amounts, but most complex ion the shape is octahedral. Coordination number 6. Some are tetrahedral, some linear. This is okay. Electromagnetic spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? The range of all wavelength and frequency of all type radiation is called electromagnetic spectrum. Can you say some radiation name? Okay, can you say some radiation name like wavelength, radio wave, TV wave, microwave, infrared, ultraviolet, visible light, X-ray, gamma ray. This is the radiation. This is the all range of wavelength. There is a wavelength range and frequency range. About frequency range and wavelength range. All the range of wavelength and frequency, all type of radiation is called electromagnetic spectrum. Like this is the increasing wavelength. If increase wavelength increases, frequency decreases. Have you seen? This the which radiation have electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic radiation has the highest wavelength. Look, this is X-ray, gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, infrared. Radio waves. Okay, radio waves have a highest wavelength, and lowest frequency. But no, radio waves बोलते हैं. Radio waves highest wavelength. Yes, vice versa. Okay, like this gamma ray. Okay, this is the visible range. This is the visible range here. Is the hours turn? And, okay, you know this visible region is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometers. In this wavelength, if any color show, we can see. Okay, 400 nanometer. Okay, which is the highest wavelength? For long wavelength is red wavelength. Okay, or small 400 nanometer. Okay, color wheel and complementary color. Look, this is a color wheel. Each color is the, if you see the color, absorbed color is a violet. Absorbed color is violet. Transmitted color is yellow. If the absorbed color is red in a color wheel, absorbed color is red. Transmitted color will be complementary color will be blue or green. If in a solution absorbed light is red, transmitted light is will be blue or green. If absorbed light is violet, transmitted light is yellow. We see the complementary color. If absorbed light is red, we see the blue color and green color. We see actually okay, are you watching my screen? Are you watching my screen? Okay, are you watching my screen now? Okay, this is the color wheel. Yes, now clear. This is the color wheels. In a color wheels, the absorbed light, if the absorbed light is violet, transmitted light will be complementary color. Transmitted color is yellow. If the absorbed light is if a solution light absorbed, if a solution absorbed violet color light absorbed, it transmitted color yellow color transmitted. We see that transmitted color complementary color. This is convention. Okay, we see the colors not actually absorbed color, we see transmitted color. Okay, solution absorbed light, you know this is physics term. Why we see transmitted color? Because all light No, physics. All right. Absorb color. This absorb color will this color will absorb. Nah, it this is question yes. You have said why we see watch transmitted color. Why don't see absorb color? Your question was that. Okay. Question why we see absorb, why we don't see absorbed color, we see transmitted color, because all absorbed light pass through the solution. It all light absorbed are reflected with the only complementary color. For this reason we see the complementary color. Okay, this light absorbed are complementary color. If a red light absorbed, transmitted light is blue or green. We see blue, either blue color or green color. Okay, we see the transmitted color, not absorbed light. Okay, এটা absorbed light বুঝি নাই ও এটা ফিজিক্সের একটা টার্ম, মানে সব লাইট সে অ্যাবজর্ব করবে আর যে লাইটটা সে রিফ্লেক্ট করে ছেড়ে দিবে ওইটা আমরা দেখি। ফিজিক্সের একটা টার্ম, আসলে আমার এই মুহূর্তে ভালো জানা নাই, আমি বলে দিলাম না, বুঝছেন তো? ওই যে রংধনুর একটা কালারে আকাশের রং নীল কেন, ওই রকম প্রশ্নের মধ্যে এটা আনসার পাওয়া যায়। ওকে, হোয়াই ডু ট্রানজিশন মেটাল শো কালার? Why do transition metals show color? When ligands, due to ligands, transition metals have unfilled half-filled d orbitals. When d orbitals contain electrons, and when come ligands full no. D orbitals half filled, partially filled. D orbitals contain transition metal contain partially filled d orbitals. Okay, here contain electrons, and when ligands come, ligand also contain electrons. When ligands bond to the central metal ion, there is a repulsion between the electrons in the ligand and electrons in the d orbitals of the metal ions. So repulsion হলে কি হবে? If there is a repulsion between the ligands and if the ligands bond to the central metal ion, there is a repulsion between the electrons in the ligand. Ligand contain lone pair electron. There is a repulsion between the electrons in the ligand and the electrons in the d orbitals of the metal ions. Both is negative electrons, so repulsion occurs. Ligands contain, okay, due to repulsion, this repulsion causes 5 d orbitals to split into two different sets, two high energy d orbitals, 5 set d orbitals, you know, 2 set will go higher energy and 3 will set to the lower energy. The energy difference between two set of d orbitals correspond to the wavelength of the visible. Then we see that light. Look, I have, where's my look? Okay, I'm showing this. Do you know how many electrons in the copper 2 plus d orbitals? How many electrons in the d orbitals in copper 2 plus? কপার প্লাসের একটা আছে আর কপার 2 প্লাসের একটা আছে আচ্ছা দেখো আমি দেখাই হ্যাঁ how many electrons copper না d orbit আছে yes 9 electrons okay don't okay 9 electrons okay I'm showing this or okay these are d orbitals okay 9 electrons okay 2 2 2 2 8 and 9 okay d orbitals these are degenerate d orbitals when ligands come ligand bond to the d orbitals these are d orbitals okay d orbitals degenerate d orbitals d orbitals of copper 2 plus ion when ligands bonds to the central metal ion okay there will be repulsion ligands are you listening me okay then it will split then it will due to the repulsion between ligands electrons of ligand and electrons in the d orbital due to repulsion this d orbital split two energy levels split two set of d orbitals 3 set will be lower energy 3 set d orbital will lower energy 2 set total is a 5 d orbital set is 1 2 3 4 5 3 set will lower energy okay 2 set in the huh তোমাদের লেভেলে ডিফারেন্ট আছে কিছু কিছু তবে তোমরা সবগুলো এইরকম ফর ইয়োর রিজন three set will be lower energy and 2 set will be higher energy okay now I'll put electrons how many electrons কোন সময় d orbital তিনটা d orbital উপরে থাকে আর দুইটা d orbital নিচে থাকে কোন কোন এলিমেন্টস এর ক্ষেত্রে এটা ডিফারেন্স আছে তবে এগুলো হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্প্লিট হয়ে এখানে উপরের দিকে তিনটা চলে যায় আবার নিচের দিকে দুইটা চলে যায় কিছু কিছু এলিমেন্টের ক্ষেত্রে তবে ব্যতিক্রমে এগুলো তোমাদের সিলেবাসে নাই ওকে দিস okay 6 orbitals this is the 6 electron or this is the 3 electrons okay there is a space energy due to excitation when excitation কি এখন এটা হচ্ছে লোয়ার এনার্জির মধ্যে 3 সেট লোয়ার এনার্জি এটা হায়ার এনার্জি ওকে 2 সেট এখানে due to ligands and d orbitals this d orbital split 2 set 3 set in the lower energy and 1 2 3 no this the d orbital we know this the one dx dy dxy dy huh we know this nah we know this is dxy dyz do you know this orbital dxy dyz dzx dxs you know d orbital has this dxy dyz dz(x). Okay. Okay. These three dxy, dyz, dzx will be lower energy. D x square, d x square y square, and d z square will be higher energy. Okay. Okay, this is don't need to you, this thing you should remain. Okay, due to electron repulsion of ligands and d orbitals, d orbital split two set. When this high energy, lower energy to higher energy electrons move, there is energy level difference. This is the energy level difference. Due to this energy level difference, there is a relation with the wavelength. This energy level difference, there is a corresponding wavelength. Due to difference, we say a corresponding wavelength. Corresponding wavelength has a color. Okay. This energy level is difference for different elements, different metals. So color is different for different color. এটার জন্য যদি এতটুকু হয়, কোনটার জন্য এতটুকু হবে এনার্জি ডিফারেন্স। ওকে, সব এলিমেন্টের জন্য এনার্জি ডিফারেন্সটা this is the energy level difference. Have you seen delta H? এই এনার্জি ডিফারেন্সের সাথে একটা ওয়েভলেন্থের সম্পর্ক আছে। ওয়েভলেন্থের যে একটা ওয়েভলেন্থ এইখান থেকে লোয়ার এনার্জি, এইখান থেকে লোয়ার এনার্জি থেকে হায়ার এনার্জি এখান থেকে যাবে। Yes, it will move to. Okay, then it will. Okay, electron will be repulsion. There will be energy difference. This energy difference is corresponding to the wavelength. We show the color that wavelength. Okay, corresponding to the wavelength of the visible light. Okay. Different ions have different energy gap. For copper, this gap like, for other element, this delta H energy different will be different. So color will be different. আচ্ছা আমি দেখাচ্ছি, সামনে দেখবেন সব দেখেন। Okay. Okay, the energy difference between two set of d orbitals corresponding to the wavelength of the visible light. Energy difference টা তো দেখছো তো। আচ্ছা এখন তুমি একটু আগে যে এটা কোশ্চেন করতে, কপার 2+ এ কয়টা ইলেকট্রন আছে d অরবিটালে? when ion কপার 2+ 9, আর কপার প্লাসের কিন্তু কপার প্লাস কিন্তু d অরবিটাল কিন্তু এটা কিন্তু কালারলেস না কালারফুল। কপার 1 because it is not transition metal, it is আচ্ছা when water হ্যাঁ কপার 2+ transition metal definition হচ্ছে যে when the metal form ions which has partially filled d orbitals, these elements are called transition metal. Okay, when water ligands না হ্যাঁ এটা শো করবে না, হাফ ফিল্ড হলে হবে তো, কিন্তু এটা তো পার্শিয়ালি ফিল্ড। আমার মাইক্রোসফট when water ligands are attached to copper 2 ion, the energy level is split into two levels with slightly different energies. The lower energy contains 6 electrons and yes, the higher energy level contains 3 electrons. If one of the electron in the lower energy level absorb energy from the visible spectrum, it can move to the higher energy level. Movement from a lower energy level to higher energy level is called promotion or excitation. When an electron moves to higher energy level, the amount of energy it absorbs depend on the difference in energy between the two levels. Okay, the bigger the energy difference, the more energy the electron absorbs. It is important to know that the amount of energy gained by the electron is directly proportional to the frequency of the absorbed light, and inversely proportional to the wavelength of the light. In this case of the copper 2 plus ion, small difference in energy levels means that low frequency, high wavelength radiation is absorbed from the red end of the spectrum, therefore blue light is transmitted. This is the copper 2 ions. When in copper 2 ions in water ligands split the 3D energy level into lower and higher energy levels. It shown already. This is already shown. Note that one electron has moved. Note that one electron has moved from the lower energy level to higher energy level. One electron moved from lower energy level to higher energy level. Okay, why some aqueous ions and complex ions are colorless? Do you know which ions are colorless? Complex ions. Okay, why some aqueous ions are colorless? Aqueous ions are complex because there are no electrons in the d subshell. If there is no electrons in the d subshell, then the ions is colorless. Or another reason, similarly, if the d orbitals are full, then there are no empty orbitals to which electrons can be excited, so the ions will be colorless. If d subshell no electrons or empty d electrons, d subshell, aqueous ion dissolve in water. Any ions dissolve in water, aqueous ions. Okay. Complex ions. Okay. If there are no electrons, okay, if the d orbital is empty or d orbital is full, then ions, aqueous ions and complex ion will be colorless. Okay. Okay, explain why copper to sulfate form blue color but solution of zinc sulfate is colorless. Say. Okay, here transition of electrons possible for copper. Na empty kemne full filled with d orbital electrons. 10 electrons na ne ekdom filled. Yes. Copper to ion is copper to ion has incomplete d subshell. Color in transition element is caused by the transition between d orbitals. Okay. Zinc to ion has a full d sublevel. Therefore, electron transition between d orbitals are not possible. It is colorless. Okay, this is a question. what is the name this complex? Okay, written here, hexaqua copper 2 ion from yellow solution. Use the color wheel below. This is the color wheel below. Explain why hexaqua iron is colored. Bolo. Why? Using, have you seen question? Okay, this is the hexaqua copper iron to iron hexaqua iron to 3 ion from yellow solution. Use the color wheel below. Explain why hexaqua iron is colored. Yellow color is
That means the violet light is hidden.
yellow color show. Yes, but it is a okay. Transition, electron transition is possible, because
Because the orbital
incomplete d subshell.
complete.
Iron 3 has a incomplete d subshell. When the ligands of water form coordinate bonds with the iron 3 ions, repulsion between the electrons of the ligand and electrons of the central metal ion cause d orbitals of the ions to be split into two sets. The energy difference between the two sets of the d orbitals correspond to the wavelength of the visible light. Electrons absorb wavelength of the visible light when they transition from the lower set of d orbitals to higher energy set. In the case of hexaqua iron 3 ion, the wavelength of light absorbed correspond to the wavelength of blue light. The complementary color yellow is transmitted. Therefore, the solution appears yellow. Here, which color absorbed? Correspond to the color তোমাটা violet বলা ঠিক আছে wavelength of blue light absorbed. Transmitted light complementary color yellow is transmitted. Okay? Therefore, solution appears yellow. আচ্ছা কেন দেখো yellow দেখো এখানে একটা শীট আছে তুমি look there is a color wheel আচ্ছা blue light is absorbed কোথায় blue light না এখানে দেখো blue light is absorbed কোথায় blue light is absorbed তে orange light দেখার কথা blue light is absorbed দেখো এখানে কি আছে red and green light are transmitted মা ফোন আইছে গো ফোন ধরো blue light is absorbed okay তারপরে red and green light are transmitted আর দুইটা মিলে yellow হয়ে গেছে হ্যালো এখানে হ্যাঁ predicting shape of the মানকে ফোন আইছে predicting shape of the ions complex ion if the coordination number 6 shape will be octahedral bond angle 90 degree this the coordination number 6 so coordination number of ligand 6 so a shape is octahedral this one this the ligand is 4 shape is tetrahedral bond angle is 109.5 this the This is what is the name this complex ion?
Chlorocopperate, chlorocopperate. Wait, I need to not oxidation number. That's -4.
এটার নাম নেই, এটার নাম আমি বলি শোনো। হ্যাঁ,
4 minus 6 2. Chlorocopperate, copperate 2.
হয় নাই, নাম্বার বলো কয়টা নাম্বার, লিগ্যান্ডের নাম্বার কয়টা?
Ligand na nakakatala.
এটা নেগেটিভ কিন্তু
Tetrachlorocopperate 2.
yes, cuprate 2,
Chlorocopperate
tetrachlorocuprate 2. okay, acha, this is the diammonium
diamino
silver 1 ion এটা কিন্তু নিউট্রাল, জিরো নিউট্রাল এটা। there are 4 type shapes in the complex ion, octahedral complex. The most common ligands in the octahedral complex are water. Most common ligands in octahedral complexes are water. Octahedral complexes ligands are water. Common are water, ammonia, and hydroxide OH ion. These are the common for the octahedral. These ligands different number of lone pairs. Oh ma, phone ta to gaya. Okay, this ligand different number of lone pairs. Ammonia has how many lone pairs? Ammonia has 1 lone pair. Water has 2 lone pair. Hydroxide has 3 lone pairs. Do you know how many lone pairs in ammonia? 1 lone pair. What?
hydroxide. One has a 2 lone pair and hydroxide has a 3 lone pair.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 lone pair.
How about each ligand uses one lone pair to form coordinate bonds with transition metal ions. Okay, but all ligands uses 1 lone pair. They have ammonia has 1 lone pair, water has 2 lone pair, hydroxide has 3 lone pair. But each ligand uses 1 lone pair to form coordinates bond with the transition metal ions. Okay, as octahedral, এরা এখানে আছে কটা? অ্যামোনিয়া আছে 1 লোন পেয়ার, ওয়াটার আছে 2 লোন পেয়ার, হাইড্রোক্সাইড আয়নে কি কয়টা লোন পেয়ার আছে? 3 লোন পেয়ারস, বাট each ligand uses only 1 lone pair to form coordinate bonds with transition metal ions. Okay, as octahedral contains 6 ligands, this complex are described as having 6-fold coordination. If the octahedral contains 6 ligands, for this reason this complex are called described as having 6-fold coordination. These ligands are 2 elements in the periodic table. This ligand, water, ammonia, water contain oxygen, ammonia nitrogen, hydroxide. These all are 2 elements in the periodic table. So all 3 ligands are approximately equal size. These ligands contain the water, ammonia contain nitrogen, water, central atom, water, oxygen, hydroxide H, oxygen. They all are pure 2 elements, periodic table. Have you understood? So all 3 ligands are approximately equal size.
Water, ammonia and hydroxide.
All are pure 2 elements. Like this is the average formula. PL green, this one, hexaqua manganese 2 ions, berry PL pink, example of octahedral complex. আচ্ছা এখানে দেখছেন সবটি কোথায় বন্ড ফর্ম করছে অক্সিজেনের সাথে দেখছেন নি এখানে কার সাথে বন্ড ফর্ম করছে অক্সিজেনের সাথে হাইড্রোজেনের সাথে নাই কেন কোঅর্ডিনেশন বন্ড ফর্ম করছে অক্সিজেনের সাথে দেখতেছো নি সব জায়গায়
Because pure oxygen, the pure food. That's why.
because oxygen has lone pair electrons okay lone pair electrons has oxygen
Hydrogen also look at night.
না না lone pairs আচ্ছা এখানে দেখো কিছু যে আছে something look this is the solid this is the planar this is the dash this is the solid edge
I know.
what is meaning do you know hello
Yes, sir.
अच्छा solid and stripe wedge bonds are used to indicate shape although 3D shape can be shown solid and stripe wedge bonds are used to indicate the shape although the 3D shape can be shown solid টা দিয়ে বুঝায় কি জানো না solid টা সামনে bond is towards to me আর stripe wedge is behind you আর bond is on the plane okay the overall charts are all different this on the charts on the original transition metals ion and how many negatively charged ligands there are all three structures uses square brackets although these are sometimes left out when the complex is neutral যদি complex neutral this sometimes is left out acha all three structure use square bracket although these are sometimes left out when the complex is neutral the water ligands are shown as both H2O or 2 or H2 the important point is that bond must be shown to come from oxygen because it supplies the lone pairs of electrons for the dative bond tetrahedral and linear complex these are less common than octahedral these are much less common than octahedral complex the only tetrahedral complex that you are likely to see in your course are those in which chlorine ions act as a ligands chloride ions act as a ligands such as this compound note that because chlorine is a pure 3 element its ions are much bigger than water molecules and ammonia molecules and hydroxide ion so there is usually not enough room around the central metal ion for 6 chloride ions as a act as a ligand have you understood why don't form 6
It's nice. Jaga nice.
big ions this is the pure 3 element chlorine the only linear complex are likely to see in your courses is the reactive ions present in the tallest reagent this ammonia cal silver nitrate an explanation why silver ion has only 2 ligands this silver ion has 2 ligands not 6 is beyond aims of this book but note that silver ion is a transition metal ion in period 5 not period 4 of the periodic table it therefore behave differently from the transition metals in period 4 acha look this is the tetrahedral shape this is the linear shape okay thank you joining the class this is the homework no you should no at least 1 hour I spend 5 hours for at least 5 hours I spend to make lesson this PowerPoint transition assignment okay everything so you should spend at least 1 hour okay a good student work 4 times from your teachers if teacher use 2 hours student use 8 hours to gain excellent result okay hello are you listening Okay, this is the homework. You should complete.
आपका टाइमिंग बदलाने लग गया था
কখন?
तो आज से तो जानते
কোন সময়টা?
তার লগে পিছিয়ে তো এই টাইমিং বদলানে লাগবে তারা জয়েন করলো টাইমিং অল লাগে দেন তার ক্লাস স্টার্ট
দে জানাইও, আমার সাথে কথা বলিও রে, বলিয়া দিও কোন সময় হয় ভালো। হ্যাঁ, টাইমিং। আচ্ছা, thank you for joining the class. Okay, thank you. This class video will be uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, Facebook I share this. ও ফোন আইছে কত না নাই তুমি বারবার মাত্রা